Dear students, today we will learn about intradermal injection. From the word itself, it is clear that intra means in, dermal into the dermis layer of the skin. Which are the layers of the skin? In this picture, you can see the layers of the skin. First layer epidermis, then dermis, hypodermis or subcutaneous tissue, then comes the muscle. So in case of intradermal injections, we are injecting the medication into the dermis. We can see the definition. Intradermal injection is the injection of the substance into the dermis or layer of the skin just below the epidermis. What are the purposes of intradermal injection? To diagnose patient's sensitivity to an injected agent, that is to detect allergy, to test for immunity to tuberculosis. For that we are doing Mantoux test or tuberculin skin test. Then to give vaccines, sera and local anesthetics. BCG vaccination, the vaccine for tuberculosis, we are given as intradermal, and also rabies vaccine given as intradermal. Then sera and local anesthetic. Local anesthetic injection xylocaine, injection navin can be used as local anesthetic. Then to treat local infectious conditions of the skin. Next we can move on to the indications. It can be divided into two: diagnostic indication and therapeutic indication. Diagnostic means to identify a condition. Therapeutic means to treat a condition. What are the diagnostic indication? To identify skin allergy to any drugs. Then intradermal allergy test, tuberculin skin test or Mantoux test. Then xylocaine sensitivity test. And the therapeutic indication include administration of a local anesthesia prior to invasive procedure and also for any invasive procedures. Sites of intradermal injections: medial aspect of forearm, subscapular region, upper chest, upper arm, other areas where skin yield easily and is softly to touch. Examples of intradermal injection include tuberculin injection, otherwise Mantoux test, then allergy sensitivity test, then local anesthesia and BCG vaccine. Selection of syringe and needle for intradermal injection. The size of the syringe for intradermal injection are 1 ml, calibrated in 0.01 ml units, that is tuberculin syringe, and size of the needle used for intradermal injection are 26 and 27 gauge. Then the articles needed for the procedure: sterile syringe and needle to inject the medicine, medicine in ampule or vial to treat and promote health, sterile injection tray to carry the prepared medicine to the patient, medication card to compare the ordered medicine, cotton swab to clean the site after injection, spirit swab to clean the site, ampule vial or vial opener to open the vial or ampule, sterile water to prepare the powdered medication if it is in powdered form, kidney tray and paper bag to receive the waste, clean gloves to prevent cross infection, pen to circle the injection site. While selecting the pen, you have to select blue or black, don't use red ink. Watch to check the time of giving injection.